Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan.
Namaste. Let's have a chai, please. My name is Sankar. I live in Jaisalmer in Rajasthan, country of Maharaja. Jaisalmer is called Golden City, not because of the gold, because of Jaisalmer's stone, yellow sandstone. It's the color of the desert. I have a handicraft shop here. Welcome. Welcome to Jai Shankar Handicraft. You welcome here anytime for a cup of tea. This is the magic bed sheet. With this you don't need Viagra. When you sleep on this, you will have happy dreams. Otherwise your money will beg. Let's go to the fort. Jaisalmer Fort is about 860 years old. This fort named Sonar Killa, Golden Fort, given by the Bengali filmmaker Satyajit Ray. He made the movie here about the fort. He thinks, wow, it's like a gold. That's why he put his film name is Sonar Killa. Sonar Killa means Golden Fort. Maharaja Palace of Jaisalmer in the fort. You see that Haveli? That Haveli is called Salam Singh Haveli. Salam Singh was a Diwan, Prime Minister of Jaisalmer, and he wanted to build this Haveli like the same height of the fort, and he wanted to make a bridge so he can come direct from his house to the Queen Palace. Maharajas blast his Haveli from this cannon. Not using cement or any kind. This walls of fort built by lock system. Let's have a chai. We also have a cloth for your unofficial wife. You don't need air ticket to go back. This is very unique flying carpet. Let's walk in the city. The old city of Jaisalmer. Around fort. Main gate of a house of Jaisalmer. There are two horses, symbol of power. Statue of the Ganesh, about 300 years old. This wood never possible to be any incense or any animal go inside. This wood is called Rohida. It's very secure, safe, and they always spending a lot of money for architecture and art. People love architecture and art. They have much respect for art and craft in Jaisalmer. Ganesh is born like as a human. Normally Shiva is always doing meditation on the Kailash Parvat. It's a rock. So he comes very rare in the house. Wife name is Parvati. Feeling very lonely, and one day she built a statue of a child, and because of she is also goddess, she has power, so she put life in this statue. It become a son of Parvati. Day by day child is growing up, and one day Shiva come from the meditation. Ganesh was outside because his mother is sour inside. Nobody enter in the house. Shiva, they don't know both that is my father or is my son. Shiva want to enter in his house, but Ganesh don't know him, so he don't let him in. Shiva get very angry and Shiva cut his head. His mother crying and requesting to his husband, who is a very powerful god, please put his head back and give him life. It's our son. Shiva say it's not possible to put same head, but he throw his weapon in the air and he say that anyone first cross this weapon, that head will be cut and head will go on the Ganesh. And unfortunately there was an old elephant walking. This head come on the Ganesh. One teeth is broken. It was an old elephant. His mother is not happy. She is crying. He looks very ugly. Nobody respect my son. He request again to the Shiva, do something. So all the god come and bless him. It's become a very powerful god. And say that anyone in the world starting something, marriage, job or shop, anything, they will respect first Ganesh. They have to worship first Ganesh, the symbol of good luck. You see this over there on the architect? Yeah. They have nice figures of peacock. Peacocks are symbol of happiness. Normally, from the nature, we don't get any color. No flower, no green, no leaves. Whatever you see is a wild desert. And raining is also very rare. So when it will be raining, peacock open the tail and dance. And dancing peacock is symbol of happiness. This is Patwa Haveli. It's built by the Jain family. Before it was a silk route of Jaisalmer. All through Asia to Europe, it's a big business route. These people caste Jain and Paliwals. They're doing very good business here. The fort. Look my shop. This can be good for your mother-in-law. Do you feel lonely? Buy a friend. Do you want a chai? If you need, I can also organize really very good camel safari. You need clothes? I make you what you want. Come inside, we can talk, have a chai. I can tell you all the incredible stories of Jaisalmer. We can also make jokes. I can show you different places around Jaisalmer. Now we are in Amarsagar, the Jain temple, about 500 years old. Hanuman temple, he got Hanuman. You know why Hanuman has all orange color? Because Hanuman prayed always for the Rama. Rama's wife is Sita. Normally in Hinduism, you know that all the married women, they put the reddish orange tikka in middle of the hair. That meaning that longer life of husband. So one day Sita was putting the color on the hair. The Hanuman come and ask, why you put this in your hair? And then Sita said, if I put this, husband's wife will be more long. So he say, I put all my body, so he will be never die. You know. Of Badabag Memorial, the Maharaja died. Let's go have a look at the lake of Jaisalmer. Only source of water in town 50 or 60 years ago. This gate is built in one night by one prostitute. Her name is Tilor because she want to get married with Maharaja of Jaisalmer. Now it's very dry because since 2 years it's not raining here. Here very romantic, middle of the water.
You come here with your wife?
Sometimes. Feeding fish. People has much respect for animals. Day by day, this year no many monsoon come. So for the fish lives is also not secured. Every day more than hundreds of people come to feed this fish and duck. Let's come have a chai. So you can see the nice view of the island, main gate of the lake and the fort.
Look the fort and look the my shop.
This is cheap gifts for cheap friends. So we have make happy everybody. This will be very helpful after safari. That also I organize. This will make your bottom happy. Do you want a chai? If you really want to buy something, I have what you need. This patchwork bedspread we make from different individual patches, from the wedding dresses, camel ornaments, things what they use in the daily life. Like this is carrying water from the tank, this is camel ornament, this is a child head, toran for door, women clothing. So this different things, we repatch them together and make different size that you can recognize. That is, this is the front of the wedding dress. You see, this some are slips. It's a gypsy necklace. Repatch them together. It's a lot of beads work. Also, we put some opium bags, things what they use in the practical life. Let's have a chai. This is the personal blanket of Bill Clinton and Monica Lewinsky. Your boyfriend is ugly. You can make less ugly with this. If you want to buy good silver, also we do in my family business. It's my brother's shop. Morton Jewelers near the fort. So please, when you come in Jaisalmer, please come to me. I will not rip you off too much. We will be a best friend forever. Selamat jalan.
Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan. Selamat jalan.